Hello everybody. So we'll be looking at how do you install Eclipse and how do you do the STQA practicals. So all you do is you go to your Google Chrome and you search for Eclipse download. After that you download the left one, that is download 8664, and then you click on download. And as this is downloading, you want to download other things as well. So you go to Selenium .dev slash downloads. Right, this website will take you to the Selenium Java, the Selenium jar files basically. So you're going to click on Java stable, and as you can see, that is also downloading at the same time. Once that is done, like you have to even search for you have to even download a Chrome driver. Okay, so you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to about Chrome, and you're going to look for your version of the Chrome. Okay, so mine's 130, so I'll search for Chrome version 130. You click on the first link, and if you're using Chrome version 115 or higher, right, so you're going to click on this link, right, the warning ke andar wala, and then you click on stable 131, and you look down for Chrome driver Windows 64. So you're going to just click on this link, you're going to copy it, and you're just going to paste it and press enter, and that will also start download. And one more thing, so if you get the Excel wala program, right, so you have to download something called as JXL jar file, that's version 2.6. Okay, so you do that. uh, that's also be supposed to be downloading. If the first link is not working, just go to the second one. um, where's the download button? Not this one either. Does the first link work? Mm, it should work technically, and let's see. So yeah, there you go. So the first link did work, and then you just click over here, and it will also start downloading. So keep Eclipse is still downloading. My Chrome driver is done, and Selenium is also done. So what I'll do is I'll go over to my downloads, and I'm gonna extract all of them in the same path in downloads only. It's much preferable that you extract them in the downloads only, because then it will be much easier to uh, when you're adding the jar files, you can just go to downloads and you'll find the jar files. So I have extracted Selenium, and I'll extract the Chrome driver one as well. Yeah, there you go. And GXL is also done, so I'll extract that. Yeah, there you go. This is also done extracting. Now we'll look for, so Eclipse is still downloading, right? So we'll just wait for it to download, and then I'll see you guys. Okay, so the download is done, so I'm going to click on it. Once it's done downloading, I'll just open it in the folder, and I'm going to click on it. This should run the setup file technically. There you go, it started the download. So once it's done downloading and once this installer page open, you're going to click on Eclipse ID for Java developers, and you're going to click on install again, and we're going to wait for the entire installation to happen. So once it's done installing, you just click on accept now, and just wait for the installation to happen. Hello guys again. So as you can see, it's done installing. Once the installation happens, you can just click on launch, and it will launch Eclipse for you. So we're gonna wait for the launch to happen again. Once it's done launching, so you're just gonna click on OK next, and we'll wait for the ID to open. So as you can see, it has opened the ID. So I'm going to just click on this, and yeah. So your 1 second, and not this. So I'm just going to proceed by excluding it from being scanned, and yeah. So yeah, so you can create a new Java project, or usually it happens even by right clicking. Okay, but I'm getting the option here, so I'll just create a Java project. I'm going to name it practicals, and make sure that your Java version is above 21. If you don't have a version above 21, it will give you an error as soon before it launches. So just go on Google and download Java 22 or 21, 21 or higher. So it's much better you download Java 22. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done and I'm going to finish. So my practicals folder has been my project has been created now. As you can see that I have a folder module info.java. So you actually have to remove it, right? I'll tell you why you have to remove it, because when you click on practicals and you go to build, when you create a new Java class, and even after you name it, right, I'll just name it like Gmail. Okay, and this finish button, you can see it's not active, like no matter what I do, right? So it's because of this module info.java. So you just go to src, and if you have a module info.java, you just click on it and you're going to delete it. Okay, and once you're done deleting it, you can go to project, right click on your project again, and get a new Java class made. Okay, after that I'll be performing the Gmail login. So I'm gonna have a class name, say login. Okay, and I'm gonna untick inherit abstract methods and just click on public static void main. And as you can see now, it's the finish button is active, right? So as you can see, this is done. After this, I'm gonna copy the code given by teacher in classroom, you know uh, just for testing. And it's here, and Gmail login. So the entire code is here. So I'm just gonna copy it. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it over here. So now teacher's class was Gmail, my class name is login, so I'm just gonna give it the name login. And there are many errors, so we're gonna go solve them one by one. So first is key, you need to actually get your jar files, right? So you're gonna right click on practicals, and you're gonna go to build path, configure build path, and if you go to module dependencies, libraries, yeah. So if you go to libraries, you get something called as class path, right? So you click on class path, add external jars, and you're going to go to downloads, because that is where all your jar files are. I'm going to click on selenium, and you're going to do control a, copy all of them. And if you're doing excel, if you're running an excel program, you're going to add external jars. I'm going to select this again, add external jars, and you're also going to choose jxl this jar file. Okay, I'm not doing excel right now, so I'm not going to choose this. Right after that, you're just going to apply and close, and all of your import errors are actually going to go. After that, this, as you can see, like I'm still having a path, this error over here. So over here is going to be a Chrome driver path. Okay, so I'm going to go to File Explorer. I'm going to choose open this, and I'm going to right click on Chrome driver and copy as path. And over here I'm going to, you know, paste this path. uh, 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to paste the path, and you're still going to get an error because you're actually supposed to have two, you know, slashes. So just add two slashes everywhere and your error is going to go. After that, there's another error over here because of double quotes, so you're going to close that double quotes, and here another double quotes issue. And here, so you're going to log in after this, and not log in, I mean, like, you're just going to run the code because it's done. So you're going to save it and it should run as expected. So you allow jdk, you're going to give it the permission. And here, so 1 second, I'm pretty sure it was not seen. So yeah, so if you see, like, there's driver find element by id. So wait, I'm going to show you what each of it means, right? So I'm going to comment the next button ka click. Okay, so yeah, so this email id that you see, where is that coming from, right? That's coming from the send keys function, right? So if you want to add your email id inside send keys, you're just going to put your email id. Okay, you're going to save it and you're going to run it. Okay, and it should type in your id. And after that, identifier id. Yeah, so find element by id, identifier next. So if you're wondering from where all these are coming, you can just, you know, open your inspect, by, you know, right clicking and then going to inspect. And if you click on this button over here and just hover over here, right, you're gonna find a class id here. Yeah, yeah, so you can see id is, you can see its id is identifier id, right? So that's what you copy and, you know, you paste. So if I do next, and if I do the same thing for password, right? So passwords, if you see name, its name is passwd. I don't see any id over here, right? So you're going to actually double click on this, you're going to copy this, right? And instead of this password, you're going to paste your passwd, right? um, you're going to save it and you're going to run it. So it should type in the password, and I should have closed the password tab also, but wait, I think I might get enough time to press the button. Yeah, show password, and yeah, password has come. As you can see, it's the wrong password. I'll just show it to you again. I'll comment the password next button line so that doesn't get executed. And now after it types in the email, it will click on the next button and it will type in the password for me, right? So as you can see, it has typed the password for me. And send keys के अंदर जो भी password we are going to enter, it's going to type that. And yeah, and if your password is correct, it will take you to the next page and give you the login successful, message. And that's it, guys.